That was magnificent. A very emotional piece. Molto adagio. Lovely, twinkling, radiant, marvelous. Double Clef FM.
I've tried everything, and I just couldn't keep those extra 200 pounds off. It started to affect my marriage.
She was too big for me, and I'll sleep with anything.
The Abdometrix, the thiazizer, tummy stapling. I've had my mouth sewn up, my hands chopped off. You name it, I've tried it.
Yeah, except for exercising and eating right, Porky.
That's right, honey. Then I found the Dormatron. Using a new technology called biorhythmic subconscious gymnastics, the Dormatron exercises you while you sleep. Just strap in your arms and legs, put on the Dormatron headset, then wrap yourself in the special high-voltage electric blanket. Turn...
Oh, you're scaring me now, Mr. Scientist. I'm all quiet, like a scared DJ, man. Knowledge is king. Knowledge is king. Knowledge is king, man. So we love the scientists here on Teacher.
Cause the sun can't fall. You can't take your eye off your untamed world. She wanna ride alongside of the same wall. You wanna side of pride, holler her name call. So you all types of moves you don't do. Say it's all in the tongue and the finger. Coat shoe. When the worldwide say Royce is so true. In this real world we sit on the road rules. How can I be the king down on my knees? This is for the ladies, fellas, follow my lead. We just wanna say we love ladies.
All the way live from the bridge, nature, big stretch. This is what we do, kid. Yo, hey yo, 60-inch screens, DVD, naked on the couch with 2 feet of me. The rap game treated me, giving me blessings. It's better than that whack repressing. You can find me puffing trees at the summer league, NBA against the wannabes. 5-on-5, me stretch, and who'll kick?
It will be a miracle. I guarantee it. Fernando's New Beginnings. We turn an ending into a new beginning.
Mom, there's a package for you.
But I didn't order anything. What's this? How sweet. Gee willikers, it's a puppy.
Everybody loves a puppy.
And now you can ship one anywhere just by logging on to petsovernight.com. Petsovernight.com, delivering little bundles of love in a box directly to your door.
And who says that e-commerce isn't a brilliant idea? All right, speaking of brilliant, you're listening to Chatterbox with me.
Excuse me, sir. Do you enjoy your job here?
It's fun. We get to play with knives.
I see. Is there a real sense of teamwork?
My friend Joey sewed his hands together.
Wow, you're learning some real skills. How about the salary and benefits?
Yesterday, I made $1.
See, that's the kind of dedication we have to our employees and the quality of our shoes. Harris running shoes. Always running from something.
The inspiration for this next record comes from Dante's Inferno, originally transcribed in Braille to a chaste Belgian monk after he lost his hearing. This powerful fugue can overpower the senses, much like a 12-year-old nephew who lets you bounce him on your knee one last time. Molto adagio.
Call New Beginnings today. 555-9292. It will be a miracle. I guarantee it. Fernando's New Beginnings. We turn an ending into a new beginning.
Are you bored with man's best friend?
Sorry, Fido.
Man's first cousin. At petsovernight.com, we've got every primate in stock, from spider monkeys to gorillas.
plus 1 love make 2. So this is Studio 2 with double the love. Lord God said this. So when I do hard. I man say there's too much spank.